Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainsley Bullion, ainsleyBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight offered online and of course over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You are looking at the 1 ounce silver South African Krugerrand coin. Just a beautiful specimen of silver coin right here. And why have we chosen the South African Krugerrand for our product spotlight this week? No particular reason. Anyone can think of a reason? No? Yes, of course, because the Wallabies smashed the Springboks in the Rugby Championship test in Adelaide over the weekend. It's actually the 8th time in a row that the Wallabies have beaten the Springboks on home ground soil here in Australia. So congrats to the Wallabies, commiserations to the Springboks, but we thought we'd try and lift your spirits, guys, because we know you're feeling pretty down about losing. So that's why we thought we'd make this video specifically on the South African Krugerrand. Let's take an up-close look at the beautiful 1 ounce silver coin. Now, since 1967, the 1 ounce gold coin has been produced, but it's only been since 2017 that the silver coin has been produced. Now, this is in fine silver, so 99.99% fine silver, unlike the gold Krugerrand, which is 22 carat. It's actually 1 ounce of gold within the coin, but it's 22 carat purity, but the silver is 99.99% pure. And of course, it's a very similar design, basically exactly the same. You have Krugerrand at the top there. You have a very cool looking springbok in sort of running form or jumping, springing form, if you want to call it that. And the 2022 year right there, fine silver, 1 ounce fine silver, of course. Now let's pop onto the obverse, because the obverse is always the side which has the particular effigy of someone. It happens to be an effigy of Paul Kruger. Now, Paul Kruger was a very, very famous politician going back a while now, was the president of the South African Republic. And if the penny hasn't dropped, if the Krugerrand hasn't dropped yet, if you've put two and two together, Paul Kruger, so his last name is Kruger, and Rand being the unit of currency within South Africa, hence calling it the Krugerrand. So following on from the gold design, again, since 1967, they're making the silver version since 2017. Do you have any Krugerrands in your stack? Do you have gold Krugerrands? Do you have silver Krugerrands? Let us know. Post a comment below. What do you like about them? Is there anything you dislike about them? We always like to hear from our customers. If you don't have any Krugerrands, gold or silver, in your stack, well, now might be a great time because they're just beautiful coins. And particularly, you know, the silver price where it is at the moment, that's a pretty good price too. So I will put a link below to the individual product page for the 1 ounce South African silver Krugerrand. And what you'll notice, there's a few volume discounts. So of course you can buy them singularly. And then they also come in tubes of 25 as well, and you'll get a sealed tube. So if I just grab the old lid right there, of course they will come in a lid with a lid on top, and it'll come sealed as well with a little bit of silver kind of metallic tape over there, so you know they're sealed and haven't been touched by human hands. And if you're game enough and you want to buy in real bulk, they come in monster boxes of 500 as well. So that is the 1 ounce silver Krugerrand, our product spotlight of the week, for the reasons I mentioned just before, the poor old Springboks. But hopefully, since you've seen this video, your spirits are well lifted and you'll be, in better form next time we meet South Africa. So head over to ainsleyBullion.com.au. Of course, like, share, subscribe, and as always, as we say here, balance your wealth in an unbalanced world. Take care, and we'll speak to you soon.